today we're here with Nick Cavolis,
Sorry, Nick.
Danny Marcy,
It was an accident.
Baby J Frank, and C Scouts, and we're gonna put this boat in that lake over there. It's gonna be a lit day.
Hey, somebody help me.
Shut up, Danny. We can't do it like this.
No, we can't put it like this.
Christ.
No, grab the back corner.
Oh no! I got scared.
Right, Nick.
Oh no! Don't run!
Oh!
Don't run!
Oh!
Hey, we needed that. More bitch.
Right.
Are we going underwear?
Yeah, Connor, get in your underwear.
Am I doing it with you guys?
Alright guys.
Connor, you know what? That looks very good on you. If I was a girl, I'd go up to you. I'd be like, "Hey, sexy, how you doing?"
Two.
It's filling up with water.
I know. We gotta go. Get in.
Danny, it's filling up!
Justin, push us out.
Yeah. Dude, what if it's... Oh, shit.
All right, paddle.
Sit down! Get out of the way! Sit down! Danny, I'm jumping.
Oh!
Connor.
Nick, go get it!
No!
Danny, are we actually jumping out?
No.
I'm slow.
Danny, you're pushing me off! Stop!
Yeah. No.
No, Connor.
I'm getting out for a
You're
second.
such a fucking pussy.
I was
Dang.
in there the whole time. So I don't want to
So I'm gonna sing it out by myself.
I don't want to swim.
Get in. You're such
You
a.
get in now. You get in.
I'm Danny. I'm ripped up. Look at my 8-pack.
Okay, well you gotta get in. You're really
I'm
gonna
Danny.
make
I want to have
yourself
fun
your
to
pussy.
Dude,
I'm
showing
Danny.
you Why are we going out?
He got that good.
Right there.
Wow, that's intense.
It's not deep enough. Look how close we are. We're gonna let it. Wait, let.
I'm gonna make.
Wait, pretend like you're rolling.
It's deep. How do we get out of here, bro?
Wait, guys, I got a good idea. Maybe if we drink all the water, and then you guys won't be sinking.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is nice. It's like a swimming pool.
It's not working. We're not getting anywhere.
No, I think we are. Oh, it's working.
Stop, bro. It's in my mouth.
Dumb. So
Get out
dumb.
right now, bro. I'll get out.
Okay, truth.
Trish, we gotta go take a shower.
Look, it's spinning. Now paddle back.
Imagine if a cart bit your dick.
Oh, this fucking.
As you can see, a wild Connor Scalzo and Danny Marciniak gliding across the Amazon.
Hey, are we... What?
What the hell? Oh shit! We gotta get out. I'm not done.
Oh, right here?
Yeah, that's my house.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. My bad, sorry. Yeah, we're...
Hey, I just don't want you guys to get hurt.
Oh, no, it's fine.
There's no insurance over here, so I don't think they allow for it, and we don't own this water.
No, it's fine. Don't worry. Yeah, we're getting a rope real quick.
Did you tie it? I have it tied, so let's just pull it out.
Come on, baby.
What? Dude, the bottom is so nasty. Hey, Connor, can you give me my towel?
Bro, you ain't getting no towel, dude. You ain't getting no towel.
I'm gonna grab on your hand.
Dude, me and Danny weren't brave enough.
No, I didn't even use the rope. What, Justin? I didn't even use the rope.
How was it, Nick?
No. Dude, that was maybe
What was it?
one of our worst ideas.
That was so bad.
Dude,
Drag it back stuff.
We have to pick it up.
Now you hop out of there and we'll get over here and pull it this way so that it really drains. If you grab a hold right over here, guys, and we'll pull this side up.
Good day, as the boys. We went boating in the pond and our boat just happened to sink. And then we had to get it out or the boys were gonna come. Cut our lights. Subscribe, share with your friends, and remember, always shower gay.